Are you tired of using Apple and Samsung phones? Well, it's time to drop them. Sony is launching its brand new flagship phone Xperia 1 Mark 5. It's a phone in premium segment and the features are going to blow your mind. Let's dive into the video and know more about the specs and features of this phone.
The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 is the pinnacle of innovation from Sony's Xperia series. Boasting a sleek and premium design, it's a device that strikes a perfect balance between beauty and functionality. With its 6.5-inch AMOLED display, the Xperia 1 Mark 5 promises an immersive visual experience, offering vibrant colors and crisp details for all your content. Under the hood, the Xperia 1 Mark 5 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 series processor, ensuring seamless performance and efficient multitasking. Coupled with a whopping 8 GB of RAM, this device will breeze you through any task you throw at it. On the storage front, it comes in two variants, a generous 128 GB and an impressive 256 GB, both expandable via micro SD card. As photography enthusiasts, we all know how crucial a smartphone's camera is. The Xperia 1 Mark 5 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful triple camera setup including a 64-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor, this phone captures stunning images with impressive clarity and dynamic range. Additionally, the 32-megapixel front-facing camera ensures your selfies are Instagram-ready. Apart from its top-tier specs, the Xperia 1 Mark 5 comes with some unique features that set it apart. One standout feature is its impressive audio capabilities. Sony has been long known for its prowess in audio technology, and this phone is no exception. With high-quality stereo speakers and support for high-res audio, you can expect a concert-like experience right from your pocket. Now, let's talk about its competitors. In this price range, the Xperia 1 Mark 5 faces stiff competition from the likes of Samsung's Galaxy S series and Apple's iPhone lineup. However, what sets the Xperia 1 Mark 5 apart is its distinct Sony design language, superior audio features, and its dedicated fan base that cherishes the brand's unique offerings. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 falls into the premium segment, and its price reflects the cutting-edge technology and features it offers. It comes in at $1,399, which is $200 less than its absurdly expensive predecessor. However, Sony has always aimed to deliver an experience that justifies the cost. To wrap things up, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 is a top-notch flagship phone that offers a delightful combination of style, performance, and multimedia capabilities. While it faces competition from other giants in the market, its loyal fan base and distinctive Sony offerings make it a worthy choice for those seeking something special. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates and reviews. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy tech exploring!